What is actually the data? Well, and what is the role of data in this whole scenario?
It's critical. It is the key foundation. Everything is data. Everything is math. Everything is data, remember, right? So the more data, the more knowledge you have. Remember the old saying, knowledge is power? Data is knowledge, so data is power, right? So the more data you have, the better prediction that you can have, the more of a landscape. It's like you're driving on a map. And if you only have a fraction of a map, how do you know you're going to get over there? But if you have a very detailed map with all of the data that you need, you will get there on time or faster and not be lost. That's what data is.
Big data is like a big buzzword that most people use when they know what you're talking about, if you ask me. In practice, it's basically we have a huge pile of data and we don't know what to do with it. But deep learning is actually more in-depth. It's a technique for machine learning, so to learn machines, where you actually feed a lot of data to a network to ask it for some response. So it could be that you ask it for the location of something in an image, or that you ask it to predict the outcome of a certain scenario.
Neural network, so the main idea was taken from our neurals in the brain. So we are just trying to make it work the same like it works in your brain. When you see something, then your brain analyzing, and then you get the results from what your brain analyzed. So this is kind of the main idea of our neural network. So computer system informations, it's analyzing, and then it gives his own result. How right is it? Is just the way to find the answer.
What do you think, what will IoT will be in the future?
So what we see today is amazing growth in terms of capabilities and in terms of quantities. So every device will be connected because we want to make smarter decisions. And in order to make smarter decisions, we need to make sure that we receive data. So we see this amazing bloom of IoT devices, and you see it in this conference. A lot of hardware manufacturers, a lot of vendors are introducing more and more appliances into our lives to detect the quality of the air, the quality of how we sleep, the quality of our homes, the location of our children, safeguarding of our elderlies. So this yields for a better life to all of us.